नमस्कार. RDX गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां सगळ्यांक दिपाली नायकाचो येवकार. गोवा मायल्स ॲपा आड टॅक्सी धनी पणजेन मोर्चा काडपाचे आसात. मोर्चाची तारीख फुडल्या आठवड्यात जाहीर करतले. ह्या मोर्चान सगळ्या संघटनांनी भाग घेवचो म्हण आव्हान कुडतरीचे आमदार एलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान केल्या. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
म्हाका सांग की आमगे टॅक्सी करांक इश्यू गव्हर्नमेंटान बसून सेटल केलो नाजाल्यार दे विल बी फोर्स्ड टू प्रोटेस्ट. They have had protests before. I don't want them to go any violent way. I want them to go in a nice way to see that the issue is settled. Now, I want MLAs also to tell their views because whether they want to help the real Goans. Taxi wale original go inside the right taxi wale hai. Ata our action is nothing, but we want to have a silent protest against the app, against Goan interest padha kije, and then we want to go in for a big protest. But before that, we want to tell the government, sit across and settle it, because we are not, rather they are the taxi associations and taxi, all associations are not mafias, they are not to be treated differently, they have to be settled. So this is our demand before the next plan of action.